Sometimes I wonder, what does traveling really mean to me? Is it the vast landscapes or just being free?
Wake up, honey, I made you breakfast. Fresh coffee and bagels too. A new day is waiting for us. We got lots of fun stuff to do. Let's go to the zoo and feed the monkeys. I can lend them your baseball cap. Let's make the day a barrel of fun. Growing up is just a trap. Don't it seem like a drive? Like putting all of your joy in a big brown bag. I won't listen to any of that jazz. No, I'll never grow up. Growing up is just a big fat trap. I take pride in never working a day. Can't see the use of it anyway. Who can think I'm such a load of crap? Growing up is just a trap. He's so cute. Hello. 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 Baby. इधर 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 और एक दो तो लेके जाएंगे मैं लेके जाऊँ paddle oh shit hold your paddle I'm damn panicky, I'm sorry. Whoops. But I crashed. Sorry. Oh. You heard that? No, it's a person. Oh, it's a person. Come on. Julie.
Ole.
Okay, Maharshi, catch. Whoa! Are we ready?
Dude, what is this view?
Chalo.